So guys, I don't even know what today's date is. Let me see. I gotta check and see what today's date is. It's gonna go dark, but check my phone. See what today's date is. February 15th, the day after Valentine's. I should have known that. But so today is February 15th here in North Texas, and I'm using this flashlight because we are without power. It's not a transformer blown or anything like that. It's the power company is intentionally throttling the power because of this storm that we're having. The weather outside is horrible right now. So I need to get into the office, which is an hour away just about. I'll have to take my wife and my dogs to get them checked into a hotel. And it's because the reason they're throttling the power is because too many people are using too much energy. I don't quite understand it. I don't know. But anyway, so every hour the power comes on, I think one of my pipes in the kitchen may possibly be frozen. We'll see. So now I need to pack up my work gear, get everything ready for work. My wife is getting ready as well. Oh man, I'm running in the walls. My wife is getting ready as well. So we'll be out of here in a few. Try to get checked into a hotel. You grabbing a suitcase?
Yeah. You want me to get one of those buckets with the wheels on them so I can hang my cricket and stuff, or is this one okay? It's in there. It doesn't have wheels on it.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
No, it needs to have wheels.
Okay. You're gonna grab the laundry that's already dry.
So guys, I'm out in the freezing cold, getting ready to clean my car off so we can get out of here. This is just crazy. I know it's an act of nature, but this is a lot of freaking snow.
You're listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 56, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 5 a.m. DFW Airport, light snow, 6, dew point 2, relative humidity 83%, wind north at 23, gusting to 32, wind chill minus 15, pressure 30.29 inches and falling. Dallas Love Field, snow and blowing snow, visibility 1/2 of the day. Significant ice accumulations across central Texas will be possible. Snow and ice accumulations possible across the rest of the region. Additional travel impacts are expected. The ultraviolet index forecast for February 15th is 5 or moderate. The current time is 5:02 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Car is completely covered with snow. The light won't stay on. Look at this. This is crazy. Man, ridiculous. I just did this yesterday just to go to the store. Guys, the sun is starting to come up a little bit, but it's still extremely cloudy. The roads are in better condition than I thought. Of course, neighborhood streets are kind of crazy right now. Those two back there are extremely uncomfortable, but we're going to check into a hotel. Hopefully the hotel has power. If not, look like my whole family is going to work with me today. Anyway, man, North Texas winter storm. Who knew it was going to be this crazy? Well, guys, we made it to the hotel. Getting ready to take off. See if I can get onto the office. I'm going to leave my family here for the day. Hopefully things are all right. The power, as soon as we got checked in and walked outside, the power went out here at the hotel as well. So we may just be in trouble. So we'll see.
Small business owners, is your internet making office tasks painfully slow? Are your file upload speeds sluggish? Are your video calls choppy? You need more speed. AT&T Business Fiber gives you up to 20 times faster upload speeds and half the price of
All right, guys, so I'm finally left the office, put in a full day's work. It was critical that I make it in and help with such a bad conditions outside. You know, my work is directly affected by that. But anyway, that day is over. Now it's time to get back to my family, see what's going on with them. The roads are a little bit better than it was this morning, but of course the highway is down to 2 lanes right now. So see you there in a little bit. So guys, it's been a long day. We've been up since, what, 3, babe? We've been up since 3 a.m. So we woke up to a dark house because of the winter storm. Something happened to the electricity in our entire neighborhood. All over the Metroplex, all over North Texas, power is out. And I'm sure Oklahoma and wherever else. But we turn this music down. Luckily, we have a big boombox that plays it's Bluetooth. But so we left our dark house to come to a dark hotel. As soon as we got here this morning, I dropped my wife and puppies off, and I walked out the door, the power went out. So I ended up going to the office, taking care of business there, coming back, picked my wife up. We drove all the way back to our house to check on the house, make sure the water was dripping. We couldn't find food anywhere. The entire city seems to be shut down. There are no restaurants open. So we are back eating wraps. We got some, what is that, ham and cheese? Ham and cheese wraps and some chips for dinner tonight. And just pray that the power is restored sometime tonight or in the morning. And anyway, we're going to call it a night, guys. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I know my wife is tired. So see y'all later. Peace.